Thangmeiban MLA KH Joykisan has assured every possible assistance for the welfare of journalists in the state while acknowledging the crucial role of media in the society. The MLA was speaking during a function that was held at Manipur'S Club today concerning installation of lift in the Manipur'S Club building. Speaking further, MLA Joykisan called media to play active role in bringing together all communities in the state. He added that a harmonious Manipur can be achieved only through peaceful coexistence among all communities. The MLA also expressed confidence to initiate lift installation work at Manipur'S Club at the earliest.
Geographical boundary Lady community member, what the kind of lady was a popular Manipur, I see that they not any were close in Spite of the Napi lady Puntari on Tarsi, I could inational in a garden, united me with Manipur in a Salaga, peaceful in Salaga way, development with you in a section bar, soon till I'm never saying me, I'm be, have a minute and say, many hours and I say, Mina, Anini, Tasutayada, Adana. Karigumba, asu boy tasu masina, spark to Payaba, Pataba to Paya boy, the Ivan. I want the same company just remind everybody, Sumbasiki or Pong Ganahan, or negative. I don't like back my arms and messages of one period that I wish champions for Pongalui. A boy, quite a number of said, Sanki and Jelapani, and I don't Tony, I died.